And second game of the night. Guys, talikod na night. Second game of the night. Balaring versus Strollers. Lo. Balaring versus Strollers ang ating second game. Go baby. Sana all.
Sana all, my baby.
Shout out na sa ating mga viewers. Thank you for watching. Hari lang kami di sa Villa Hergon covered court sa gusto magkantaw. Hop. Hop. Rebound for Strollers and basket. Bublo. Strollers versus Balaring ang ating game. And another point for Bublo. Good luck, Strollers. Halin kay Lowen, Lina, Benjamin. Good luck. Luto, tingala ko.
May lakas na.
Shout out kay Bong Julito, halin kay Kyle Estrada, Valentino. Yes! Wala. Shout out to Lito. May hampang man din sa plaza ng tikay may bowlers. May ara man daga live. Wala. Rebound for Balaring. Another try. And basket. Wallace, 4 ang score. Nice pass. Basket. 4-6 ang score in favor of Strollers. Shout out kay Bong Julito, Bago Sapatos. From Lomelina, Benjamin. Sana all. Shout out kay Aaron Andrino, halin kay Kyle Tolentino. Di ka mabon. May mabon, sis.
Una nga siya.
Shout out kay Jason Mabulak. Shout out. Thank you so much for watching. Shout out sa ating mga live viewers. Oh. Traveling. 4-6 ang score. 4-6.
Ano na ilang nga pangalan?
Balaring.
Balaring.
Shout out sa Pacboy ka Golf, Brian Amiel Madelo. Shout out.
Bakbo yan.
Halin kay Kyle Tolentino. Shout out Madam Renzo J. Hunsay, Maybell Bakayani, and Maureen Hunsider. Halin kay Karenza. Girland Sumpay. Shout out Pariente. Basket. Ano? Wait ako nung agugo. Ano? Agugod ako no. Shout out madama yung gabi, John Marfil. Congratulations sa inyong circuit race. Mayo kay safe lang kamo. Si dito na disgrasya to. And basket for Balaring. 6-7 score steal. And then wala. Rebound for Controllers. To Bublo for 3. Wala. Rebound. Uy, rebound pa sang Controllers. Basket.
4-9-6 in favor of Brothers.
Shout out sa Varsity ka Golf, Brian Ibanez II. Halin kay Estrada Tolentino. Ball para sa Balaring. Oh, there's a traveling again. Ano travel? Kaduway na nga travel. Shout out Karenza Sumpay from Maureen Hunsay Darmal. Uy!
Basket, good for 2.
Lain ang gig kong bago, sapatos ah. 11-6 ang score para sa Trollers. Balaring umatake, basket.
Basket, good for 2.
8-11 para sa Trollers. Uy, nice pass. Basket. 8-13.
5 basket, good for 2.
Shout out kay Lohario Dado. Shout out kay Halin kay Kyle Tolentino. Shout out kay Karenza Sumpay. Galantaw sa Plaza Basket. Kagalantaw live ni Pikachu. Amo na iya.
Very good.
Super support. Thank you so much. Basket for number 15. Thank you, Gid, sa paglantaw. $15-8 ang score for Trollers. 3 points. Rebound for Trollers. And another. Oy! Nice pass. Uy! Wala. Rebound for Balaring. Umatake. Wala, short. Hello kay Alan Hizon Padilla. Shout out Alan Hizon Padilla. Halin kay Kyle Tolentino. Still for Balaring. And still again for Trollers. Layup basket. 8-17 ang score. Time ha? Ano to? No? Ay, wala. Eight, 17. Time out for Balaring. Natulog sila.
Shout out kay Merong Case.
Shout out sa pinakagwapo sang NMEC Light Chapter. Manong Case nga 5 ang uyab. Awa, sorry lang.
8.
5 lang tas talo, yal tayo sa 5. Hasta lang ta 5 kay para hindi ta magabaan. Shout out kay Raymond Gabales, TikTokerist from Kyle Tolentino. Gani, hasta 4th quarter. Linlain.
Basta buwabal mo.
Good evening, madam. Shout out lang tagali sa teammates ko at Trollers. Play safe. Halin kay Billy Boy Morales Galantagaan. Shout out, shout out. 3 minutes and 43 seconds remaining.
Shot clock 14 seconds.
8-17 ang score. Out of bounds.
Score 17-8 in favor of the Rollers.
8-17 ang score. Hello sa idol ko, Jan Holito Franco. Halin kay Kyle Tolentino. Uy, out of bounds.
Francis. Pahinga ka muna. Pahinga ka muna.
Luluoy, bata ba? Uy! Nice move by number 87. 10-17 ang score.
Kapoy ka ganito.
10-17 para sa Trollers. Nice pass. 10-19.
2 minutes and 35 seconds remaining.
Shout out kay Papi Elisan Meow Meow. Halin kay Kyle Tolentino. Shout out.
Good for 2.
12-19 ang score para sa Trollers. 12-19.
Shot clock 12. And 9.
Ulito for 3. Wala, out of bounds.
2 minutes remaining time. Shot clock 15.
Tres. Wala. Basket.
Number 2 basket, good for 2.
21-12 ang score.
1 minute and 40 seconds.
1:40 remaining on our first quarter. Rebound for Balaring. Basket.
Number 38 basket, good for 2.
14-21 ang score. And still for Balaring. Umatake. Whoop!
Foul number 15. Number 15, first personal foul.
Number 38 on the free throw line.
Remaining time 1 minute and 20 seconds.
Shout out sa player sa Kawan Silay, John Jake Elesan. Halin kay Kyle Tolentino. Mayong gabi lang da, mayong gabi Fernandez, Denver Ray. Good evening. Out of bounds.
Siya na ako yung number 12.
Layo sa listahan.
Mababaw ka ba?
Bawaw.
Ball for Balaring, roll down for 3. Short, follow up, basket. 16-12, 16-21. 16-21 ang score. 3 points. Wala short, isa pa.
55 seconds.
Raymond Gabalas, back boy. And wala, rebound for
45
Trotters.
seconds.
45 seconds remaining on our first quarter.
Shot clock 16.
Shout out kay Miguel Saura Palahubog. Halin kay Kyle Tolentino. And up.
Number 25.
Pushing foul, number 25.
Remaining time 30 seconds.
30 seconds remaining on our first quarter. I score 16-21 para sa Trollers. Uy! Basket for Balaring. 18-21 ang score. 18 seconds.
15.
19 ko na? 19. France!
10.
Francis! 19.
8.
19.
6. 5. 4.
Mang Chicks naman si Raymond Gabales ba?
1.
Time! End of our first quarter.
Score 21-19.
Gani.
Favor of Trollers.
Score 19-21 para sa Trollers. Duwaban si. Waway-waya na yung ano. Balaring. Shout out sa aton mga barangay police. Nga galantaw di subo nga gabi. Shout out. Thank you so much sa pag-upo di sa amon. Shout out kay Anton Miguel sa Rapang Chicks ang obra. Hablin kay Raymond Gabales. Balos-balos ba? Anton Miguel Sara. Oh.
Okay kayo.
Sab? Why sub ya? First 5 second 5 ah. Shout out kay Raymond Gabales, player kay Yolanda, alin kay Kyle Tolentino. Second 5. Sulod na. Score 19-21
In favor of
para sa Trollers. Duwaban si. Ball for Balaring. Roll down, umatake short. Out of bounds. And steal for Balaring. No, may manipula pa ako, no? Tres, bam! 22-21. Abanse na ang Balaring. 22-21 ang score. Sino ba si Madam? Good day from Mike Peñol. Ball para sa Balaring. 3. Bam! 3 points again for number 87. 25-21 na ang score. Abanse na ang Balaring. 25-21 still again for Balaring. 25-21 ang atong score in favor of Balaring second quarter. Pimpasa kay Roldan, 3, short, ball for Balaring again.
9.
Another 3 for Roldan. Wala, rebound for Balaring sa Gyapon, wala. And another rebound for Balaring, isa pa. Wala sa Gyapon, ball for Trollers. Uy! Basket. Puglon, number 6, basket, 25-23 para sa Balaring.
Shot clock 16.
Another 3 points, wala, rebound for Trollers. Huli to for 3? Ah, wala.
Shot clock
Pasa kay Puglo.
9. 7.
And still for Balaring. Nagdali-dali, nag-lay up, basket!
Balaring 7 basket. Good for 2.
Nagsulod na ang ido, madam, di na yun. 27-23 ang score. Basket for Trollers, 27-25.
14 basket. Good for 2.
27-25.
27-25 in favor of Balaring.
2 points abanse isang Balaring.
Shot clock 13.
27-25.
Shot clock 8. 7.
Game pass sa Roldan, short. And steal for Trollers. Wallace, 27 na. Wallace, 27. Gano tong bata? Aga cellphone. Mga prayers.
Nung parehas sa mga picture, nagbigay sa Balaring.
Uy! Rebound for Balaring. Wala, sure. Steal for Trollers. And easy shot. 29-27. 27-29 ang score.
16-20.
Balik ang abanse sa Trollers. 27-29.
Di ko nagsala. Nga, intukon mo lang ulo.
Shout out na sa tanan nga galantaw sang aton live. Shout out. Thank you so much sa pag-support sang Ballers League. Second quarter. Shout out kay Raymart Orsal.
Uy.
Shout out kay Alin, kay Kyle Tolentino. $29-27 para sa Trollers. Ball for Balaring. Second quarter.
Shot clock 14 seconds. Shot clock 10.
Kyle Tolentino.
9. 8.
Roldan basket.
Number 30 basket. Good for 2.
Wallace 29 na score. Wallace 29. Wala. Rebound for Balaring. Out of bounds. Number 20, nagtira. Game pasa sa number 87. Nagdali-dali. Basket! Abansin na ang Malaring sa liwat. 31-29. 31-29 para sa Balaring second quarter. 5 minutes remaining on our second quarter. Wala. Number 87, Gadalas ang bula, game pasa. Nice pass, basket. 33-29 ang score. Basket for number 16. 33-31 para sa Balaring.
Shot clock 12.
33-31.
9. 8.
Tres! Wala. Rebound for Balaring. Wala. Out of bounds. Ball for Trollers. Shout out sa Conmis, Arisay, Mamaylan, Agisan. Galuto lechon manok. Mang 3 hours lechon manok. Shout out kay Nonoy Japet Virayon. Shout out na sa mga taga Agisan, Himamaylan. Thank you so much for watching. Shout out Mang 3 hours lechon manok. Shout out. Thank you, guys.
Score 33 all.
Wallace 33 ang score. Roldan, umatake pinasa Untapal, number 14.
9. 8. 7. 6. 5.
Naglibot, fade away, basket!
Number 38, basket, Buford.
Pasudla sa third, si Aaron Andrino, Madam, kapuli na kami ha. Ari di sa, masulod na sa. 35-33 para sa Balaring. Out of bounds. Ball for
Remaining time 2
Balaring.
minutes and 40 seconds.
2 minutes, 40 seconds remaining.
Shot clock 12. And 9.
Labot pa. Number 6, Buglo.
Number 6, basket, Buford.
Wallace, 35 ang score.
Remaining time 2 minutes and 15 seconds.
Wallace,
Score
35.
35 all. Shot clock 12.
Roldan, umatake. Pinasa, basket. 37-35, abanse ang Balaring. Nice pass, there's a foul.
All 13. Second personal foul.
37-35.
50 seconds.
Number 16 on the free throw line. Basket, first attempt. 36-37. Shout out na sa tanan nga galantaw sang aton live. Second attempt, basket again. Wallace, 37. Both teams 37, second quarter. Remaining time 1 minute and 40 seconds.
Remaining time 1 minute and 35 seconds. Shot clock 10.
Oh,
3 seconds violation.
3 seconds violation.
Remaining time 1 minute and 20 seconds.
Uy! Basket.
16 basket, Buford.
39-37, balik ang abanse sa Trollers. Number 87, umatake 3 versus 1. Rebound. Out of bounds. Ball for Balaring. Roldan, umatake, layup,
1
basket.
minute remaining time.
Wallace 39. Wallace 39 ang score.
50 seconds.
Steal for Balaring. Number 87 versus number 20. Foul basket.
Remaining time 45 seconds.
45 seconds remaining on our second quarter. 41-39 ang score in favor of Balaring. Free throw, wala. Elisan. Oop!
Shot clock 15. 30 seconds.
Ipasa sa kontra number 87, basket. 43-39 ang score.
20 seconds.
Bublo umatake, rebound for Roldan. Un steal for Balaring. Another steal for Balaring.
7, 6, 5, 4,
Nice pass, wala.
3,
Follow up by Roldan, basket. 45-39 ang score.
45.
End of our second quarter. 45-39. Abanse na ang Balaring. 5 lang ila players, wala sub-sub. End of our second quarter. $45-39 ang score. Shout out, madamo ka salamat sa aton nga sponsors. Thank you so much, Mayor Judith C. Gallego, Councilor Noynoy Penuela, Councilor Ryan Gamboa, Councilor Mike Clarvilla, Premier Roldan of Barangay Balaring, Outsize Grill, Chick Boys, Resto, Punong Garis, The Yard, Gaston Tattoo, Pintok Arts, and most especially to Sir Paulo Chanco of Team Paulo Chanco Organization. Madamo, gid nga salamat. Shout out Roy Philip Robles nga may alam sa agtang. Ano? Halin kay Lance Despues. Shout out. Ano meaning kung may along sa agtang? Alin kay Mark Menjola, pasino na lang kuno. Shout out Madam kay Artus B, halin kay Paul John Lupo Vargas. Shout out Artus.
Agay.
Hindi ka sa bowlers league. Hindi ko matikita kung sa bowlers league kung makomment. Kaya cross-post ako. Naitun-ida. Paano mag-cover up sa punggod?
Sa ilong ito, minanga, ano.
Third quarter. Third quarter of the game. Ball for Balaring. 45-39 ang atong score. Basket again. Wala yung masaylo ang score. 47-39. 47-39 ang score. Rebound for Balaring. 47-39.
Shot clock 12.
In favor of Balaring.
9, 8, 7, 6,
Nice pass! Wala pa. Ball for Trollers. Pinasa. Nag-layup basket.
number 5, basket, good for 2.
41-47 ang score. Abanse sa gihapon ang Balaring. 5 lang ila players.
Shot clock 15. Shot clock 12. And
Shout out kay Mark Menjola na mion niya naton maglawag. Halin kay Gian Muzones Gido. Namian mo kuno maglawag daay. 41-49 para sa Balaring. Roldan, number 33 on the free throw line. Ay, 38 gali, sorry. Wala, kabos. $41-49 para sa Balaring. 3 points, wala, rebound. Basket.
Number 13, basket, good for 2. For 49-43 in favor of Balay.
Ay, si Gian, naglangka, no? Ay, ginoong, ginalaran, gali.
Shot clock 10. 9.
Uy! Oo. Number 30, umatake, basket. Time out, time out.
Time out, Balay.
45-49 ang score. 45-49, abanse sa gihapon ang Balaring. 5 lang ila players. Hasta na ni 4th quarter. 7 minutes, 53 seconds remaining sa itong 3rd quarter. 45-49 ang score in favor of Balaring.
Lima.
Ha?
5 magyap.
Uy, sabsaba.
Lamang pa dito.
45-49 ang score.
Shot clock 14 seconds.
Roll down. Basket.
38, basket, good for 2.
45-51 ang score para sa Balaring. Out of bounds.
Shot clock 17 seconds.
45-51. Infante. 4-3. Wala. Rebound 4. Balaring. Uy, duwa ka mo. Uy! Wala. There's a foul.
Number 13. Shot clock 18 seconds.
45-51 ang score.
Shot clock 14.
Abanse ang Balaring. 3 points. Number 87.
Number 87.
Basket.
3 points.
45-54 na ang score. 45-54. Oop, gumagaw pa, gumagaw. Rep, hindi ka na rep. Wala, rebound for. Oop. There's a foul. $45-54.
In favor of
Abanse ang Balaring. 3rd quarter na kita. 6 minutes and 15 seconds remaining.
Shot clock 15.
15 seconds on the shot clock. Roll down for 3. Wala. Rebound for Rollers. 30. Umatake. Pinasa kay number 18. Pinasa back to number 30. 3 points. Wala. Rebound for Balaring. Out of bounds. Stepping on the line. Uy, nice pass.
7 basket, good for 2.
47-54. Epa.
Remaining 5 minutes and 40 seconds. Shot clock 12. 10. 9. 8.
Umatake roll down. Ay! Rep ko. Kaya ka lang. Kapoy na, kapoy na. 47-54 ang score. Number 18. Pinasa. Si number 5. Back to number
Shot clock
18.
12.
Basket.
Number 18 basket, good for 2.
49-54. Abanse sa gihapon ang Balaring. 49-54 ang score. 3rd quarter.
Shot clock 12.
5 minutes remaining on our third quarter. 87, umatake, basket.
Number 87, basket, good for two.
56-49. Balaring sa gihapon. Number 18, basket.
Number 18, basket, good for two.
51-56.
Remaining time, 4 minutes and 55 seconds.
4:25 remaining. And still again for Balaring. Double. 51-56 ang score.
Remaining time, 4 minutes.
4 minutes, 8 seconds remaining. Basket.
Number 5,
53-56 abanse sa gihapon ang Balaring. 53-56.
remaining time, 3 minutes and 14 seconds. Shot clock 12. 10, 9,
Oh, there's a foul. Third, 53-56.
first personal foul. Shot clock 14 seconds.
R2's number 18. Number 7, nag-layup basket.
Layup, Balaring.
55-56 ang score.
55 in favor of Balaring.
Shout out Kagawad Moy Moy. Shout out. 55-56 ang score. In favor of Balaring. Isa na lang ang abanse. 55-56. Fifty-five, 56 ang score. Number 87, umatake layup basket.
Number 87, basket, good for two.
55-58.
3 minutes remaining time.
Kagawad Moy Moy kadalasang bola. Umatake basket.
Number 13, basket, good for two.
57-58 ang score. Roll down, layup one. Wala pa.
Remaining time, 2 minutes
57-58.
and 35 seconds.
Pasa kay number 5, basket.
Number 5, basket, good for two.
59-58, abanse na ang Trollers. Nakalaot. Uy! Out of bounds.
Shot clock 13.
Tres. Wala. Rebound. Para sa Trollers.
2 minutes remaining time.
Nice pass. Wala. Rebound. Uy!
Score 59-58 in favor of the Rollers.
59-58 na ang score. Uy! And still. For Trollers, there's a foul.
Number 87, first personal foul.
59-58 ang score for
Remaining time,
Trollers.
1 minute and 40 seconds. Number 13, basket, good for 2.
61-58 ang score.
20 seconds remaining.
1:20 remaining on our third quarter. Nice pass, roll on, layup, wala. 61-58. Nice pass. Wala pa gid. Number 7, wala. Pasa number 30, wala sa gihapon. Ball for Trollers.
Shot clock 8, 7, 6, 5, 4.
Up. 3 seconds violation.
45 seconds remaining.
61-58. For Trollers, tatlo abansea.
40 seconds.
61-58. Number 87. Yes, Roldan. Nabuyan. Oh, for Trollers. Nice pass. Basket. 63-58.
20 seconds. 15 seconds.
65-58.
10, 9, 8,
Uy, tapal. By number 13.
4,
Number 5. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Basket. Nahingagaw. 67-58.
basket, good for 2.
And our third quarter.
58 in favor of the Rollers.
67-58 ang score. Shout out Cute Boys Photography. $67-58 ang score in favor of Trollers. Thank you so much, Gade, sa ating mga sponsors. Mayor Judith C. Gallego, Vice Mayor Noynoy Penuela, Vice Mayor Tom Ledesma, Councilor Noynoy Penuela, Councilor Mike Maravilla, Councilor Ryan Gamboa, ng Otsoy's Grill, Chick Boys Resto Bar, Puno Gary's Place, The Yard, Gaston Tattoo, Pintok Arts, and most especially to Sir Paulo Chonco of Team Paulo Chonco Organization. And also gali kay Cap Remeroldan of Barangay Balaring. Thank you so much. Fourth quarter kita. Score 67-58 para sa Trollers. $67.58. Ano ganing juice ko man? Watermelon, strawberry. 67-58 ang score. Fourth quarter of the game. Out of bounds. Last quarter na lang malaring ha. Kapoy na ganyan. $67.58 ang score.
Shot clock 15. Shot clock 12. 10, 9, 8, 7.
Roll down for 3. Short. And follow up basket. 60-67. Lay up for Trollers basket. 60-69. Feel ko kapoy na ang balhatid.
Shot clock 15.
Steal by Trollers. Layup basket. 71-60 ang score.
Score sa 91-60. Favor of Toronto.
Uy! R2's basket.
Number 18, basket, good for two.
71-62. Bubulo. 4-3. Bam, wala. Rebound para sa Trollers. Number 8.
Just 13.
And steal by Balaring. Basket. 64-71. Kaya pa. Fourth quarter na. There's a foul. Basket. 73-64.
Number 87. Number 87, second personal foul.
Free throw, wala. Number 87, Gadalas ang bola up. 2 versus 1. Ah, there's a foul. On the free throw line, Wise.
Foul number 8. Number 8, second personal foul.
Kapoy ba? First as the fourth quarter ba, no?
Typical na babalat.
Basket. 65-73. Second throw. Wala. 65-73. And basket again. 66-73 and score. And steal for Balaring. Nice pass. Basket. 68-73. Pasudla si Monmon, madam. Maling kay Kyle Tolentino. Nice pass. Basket.
Number 25, basket, good for two.
75-68 para sa Trollers. Roll done. Game pa sa back pass
Shot clock 12.
to R2.
10, 9,
R2's umatake. There's a foul.
For the quarter?
number 15.
Court na mo.
Remaining 9 minutes and 23 seconds.
First attempt, wala. 75-68 ang score. Second attempt, wala pa rin. And wala sa gihapon. Ball for Trollers. 75-68 ang score. Pulito. Rebound for Trollers. Steal for Balaring. 87. Naglibot, wala. And rebound for Balaring. Wala sa gihapon. 75-68. Go, goal. Paling kay David Carvajal. Ano bounce?
Shot clock 17 seconds. Remaining 7 minutes and 20 seconds.
7 minutes, 20 seconds remaining on our fourth quarter. Out of bounds. Yes. 75-68 ang score. 3. Wala. Short. Roll done. Gadalas ang bola. Kapoy na. Uy! Nice pass. Rebound. There's a foul.
Number 87.
Follow up.
87. Pulito, number 8 on the free throw line. First attempt, wala. 75-68 ang score. Rebound for Balaring.
Ayan.
Uy! Nice move by Artus.
And basket, good for two.
Seventy-five, 70 ang score.
Shot clock 12 seconds.
75-70. Out of bounds.
Shot clock 11.
Hindi niya magaya.
10, 9,
May pikto. Sige lang tagaan. Basket 77-70 ang score.
Balaring. Remaining time 6 minutes and 10 seconds.
Seventy-seven, 70.
Remaining time 6 minutes and 10 seconds.
6 minutes, 10 seconds remaining. Seventy-seven, 70 ang score.
Tigil dala sa ilang bukas pa. Dahil lalim mga balaring.
Shot clock 14.
Tres for that basket.
3 points.
77-73. Apat avances ang Trollers out of bounds.
Remaining time 5 minutes and 35 seconds.
Tapoy ko. 77-73 ang ating score. 87. Umatake! Nice move. Ay, wala pa. Up. There's a foul. Nami ka.
Number 18.
Foul for number 18.
Third personal foul.
77-73 ang score. Tres. Wala. Rebound for Trollers. Basket.
Number 5, basket, good for two.
79-73 ang score. Roll down. Umatake 2 versus 1. Basket.
Number 13, basket, good for two.
75-79. Uy! Wala. Rebound for Balaring. Stepping on the line.
Kalay ito, ulo siya. Tulo.
Tres. Basket.
Number 16, 3 points.
82-75.
Remaining time 4 minutes and 15 seconds.
4 minutes, 15.
75 in favor of the roller. Shot clock 12.
Roll down for 3. Basket.
Number 13, 3 points.
82-78.
Shot
82-78 ang
clock
score.
14.
Basket.
Number 87, basket.
Galaot. 80-82 ang score. Uy, tapal.
Shot clock 18, remaining time 3 minutes and 40 seconds.
80-82. 80, di ba? Francis, 80 pa lang. 80. Rebound for Balaring. Arigid. Wallace, 82 ang score. Wallace, 82. Still by Balaring. Basket. Avanse pa ang Balaring. 84-82 ang score. Rollers, wala. Rebound. Out of bounds.
Shot clock 15 seconds.
Avanse pa ang Balaring.
Time out for Roller. Remaining time 3 minutes and 15 seconds.
82-84 ang score
82-84.
for Balaring.
Balay.
82-84.
Wala na advantage. Dito, alert sa
Ano na dala na tabi na sa Magic 8, diba?
Hindi lang ako pero di sa Magic Land.
Hindi na, dala mo kami gap.
Matalay, adult third or fourth.
82-84 ang score for Balaring. 82-84.
Both teams are on.
Both teams, may isa ka time out. Bilin.
Shot clock 15 seconds.
Ngayon, lima lang sila first to fourth quarter ba?
Shot clock 12.
Hindi na ma-shoot niyo.
9.
Steal! Ay, aragali ka. And rebound for steal for Balaring. 84-82. Roldan. Umatake. There's a foul. Sige lang po, way-way. Tanay, pungko na.
Momentum mo lang.
Foul. First personal foul.
82-84.
Mga long crawlers din nila.
82-84 para sa Balaring. Roldan on the free throw line. First attempt. Waay.
Remaining time 2 minutes and 54 seconds.
82-84 ang score. Second attempt for Roldan. On the free throw line. Wala. Rebound for Trollers. 82-84 ang score. Abanse ang Balaring duwa. Elisan umatake basket.
Number 24, basket, good for 2.
Wallace, 84 score.
Remaining time 2 minutes and 35 seconds.
Wallace, 84.
Shot clock 13. Shot clock 10. 9. 8. 7.
Steal for Trollers. And layup basket.
Number 16, basket, good for 2.
Balik ang abanse sa Trollers. 86-84. Huy! Huy! There's a foul.
Third personal foul. 4-25. Remaining time 2 minutes and 13 seconds.
86-84 para sa Trollers.
Shot clock 14.
Uy! Steal! And steal! Again! By Balaring.
8, 7, 6, 5,
Uy!
4.
Ay, pasadya.
Remaining time 1 minute and 50 seconds.
86-84 score. Steal by Balaring.
1 minute and 45 seconds. Remaining time 1 minute and 35 seconds.
1:35 remaining on our fourth quarter. 86-84. Dua avances and Trollers. 86-84 ang score.
Shot clock 12. 10.
3 points. Wala rebound for Balare.
1 minute and 15 seconds remaining.
Uy, steal. 4.
1 minute and 5 seconds.
Out of bounds.
1 minute remaining. Score 86-84. Time out, Balare.
1 minute remaining on our fourth quarter. 86-84. Avance ang Trollers Dua.
Balare, mo na yung out. Brothers, isa pa.
86-84 ang score. 1 minute remaining. Dua lang ang avances ang Trollers. Lo, intro.
Remaining time 1 minute.
Upset at roller.
Top.
Gusto kong nakagabi, ito pang upset daw. Ba't siya ginaroon ka po yun?
Di puta. First to fourth daan. Oh. 86-84 ang atong score. Dua avances. Tamo 12
Lima kabilag.
12 na number 12 si Trixie.
Ay, lang.
Napakaw. Oh, luman daw.
Roll down for 3. Wala. In.
Paano?
Ah.
Sabi nyo bro.
Basket for Trollers.
5 seconds.
88-84.
40 seconds. Shot clock 16. Shot clock 12. 10. 9.
Bam!
9 seconds.
87-88. There's a foul. 87-88 ang score.
37.
Pila ka seconds remaining?
Remaining time 25 seconds.
25 pa.
37 fourth personal foul.
87-88 first attempt. Basket.
Pero wala nang isa.
89.
25 seconds remaining. Score 89-87 favor of Trollers.
Basket. 90-87. 25 seconds remaining. 90-87 ang score.
Shot clock 16. Shot clock 12.
Hello?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5,
Hoy!
3, 2, 1.
Nice game, guys! 90-87 ang score. 5 versus isa ka barangay. Best player of the game, number 16. Sino si number 16? Best player of the game, number 16, Jolitos. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching. Congratulations, Trollers. Salamat din sa mga nagtanaw. Thank you.